What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin your comment to the top if you're under 1k subs. Make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end to fully get the grasp of it. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna do is search up live dashboard, LIVE-DASHBOARD, and you click the first link that shows up, which is the YouTube live dashboard to make your streaming easier on you so you don't have any lags and all that good stuff. Give me a second, my internet is kind of slow on this. It's gonna say it doesn't support streaming, but you have to click that on the top right, the three dots, scroll down, look for desktop site and click that, and it will work. It will show the screen like it normally shows on PC. Alright, there will be a chat button on the right side of the screen. Make sure you click that. Give me a second. Once again, my internet is kind of sucks because I'm on my data recording this. What you need to do, I already tried it. You click type in what you want to pin in the live chat on the top, on the right side of the screen. For example, I just put example right there, and you can easily there's a three dots next to the name. You can easily pin it. You click pin message and it's pinned, and you can replace the pin. Like if you want a video link to your website, for your merch, for your membership, for anything you need, just enter it and click replace pin. That's it for the video. If you have any questions or you need any help, feel free to hit me in the comments or DM me on Instagram or Discord. I will reply to you. Yeah, if you want to see another video on how to do something on stream wise, just let me know in the comments. I do got you. Thank you for making it all the way back here. If you did make it all the way down here, please comment 26. Alright, so I know you did watch the full video. Once again, thank you to everyone who made it, who learned something from it. If you already knew it and you watched the full thing, thank you. Appreciate it. Peace. Love y'all.
On vacation, you got pretty green eyes. I can see them dollar signs, girl. Oh, yeah. I heard that you addicted to them sands now, girl.